Hey guys, what's up? Eddie Alho here with KissAnalog.com. Hey, I just want to spend a few minutes just to explain why I think some of us do or like to do YouTube videos. Why we do what we do. Well, maybe it's obvious, and I'm not speaking for everybody, of course, because I can only speak for myself. But I enjoy trying to pass on knowledge, and it's made electronics fun. And yeah, so it's been a hobby of mine for a long time. High school, probably, no, junior high, probably even before that, I started playing around with electronics. I think I fixed a television with electron tubes when I was in 4th or 5th grade. Watched the TV repairman do it a few times, and then I told my grandma I could do it, and she let me try, and we did it. But anyway, I like teaching electronics. I like being a mentor at work, and so I think that's one reason we do it. And then there's a certain amount of costs associated, camera, lighting. There's a learning curve. So part of the learning curve is just watching and hearing yourself on camera, and learning to kind of accept that's the way it is. So anyway, yeah, sure, some people make a lot of money on YouTube, and I guess probably, all of us hope to sometime at least be able to help support the cost in going into videos. But you have to have 1,000 subscribers. I'm about halfway there, so that's actually a lot of subscribers. And then you have to have, I think it's 4,000 hours watch time. I've got that, so I've got the watch time with only half the subscribers. So I guess maybe that's a good thing. I'm getting that. But so today I'm supposed to be at a pool party, but I was at a birthday party, special birthday party last night, and so I just felt like I was missing out on too much time and needed to get a video in. So, and made me think of putting this video together. So just wanted to kind of give a quick explanation. Some people think you make a lot of money on YouTube, and I'm sure there are those people, but there's people that I watch who I think they've been doing it for some time now, and I think they still have full-time jobs. There's tons of videos I have on my mind. A lot of you guys give me great ideas. I've got tons of videos I want to do, and I've tried to do some background videos to build on so that we can get some cool videos for the more experienced people. But I want to get everybody to a great high experience level and a knowledge level. So yeah, kind of covered some background stuff. We're going to do some more of that today. And so I just thought, heck, I'll put together this video, and maybe I'm explaining to myself why I'm doing it. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of fun, and hope you guys are learning stuff, and hope someday that I'll have more time to do more videos. So I never thought that in this field that there'd be enough people to support a channel or multiple channels, but we all know that there's plenty of people doing this. And David EV blog is one of the first guys I saw, and I just thought, wow, that's pretty cool stuff he does. And I thought, wow, I'm a power supply guy. I do audio, I do pretty much anything analog, but my specialty is power supplies, switching power supplies. And I thought, wow, I could probably teach a lot of guys, a lot of people how to do switching power supplies just over video here, video there. Pretty soon we'll build up to the point where people feel like they can go out and design switching power supplies. I pretty firmly believe that that's going to happen. So alright guys, hey, thanks for watching. Just thought I'd put a quick video and explain why some of us do videos. Oh, and by the way, when I was teaching, I taught in North Carolina, and when I was teaching there, I was only going to be there for 3 years, so I thought, what the heck, is a teaching job open? Is actually, first question in the interview is, how would you start a program? So I actually started an industrial electronics program for a small community college, and that was a lot of fun. But what I realized is you know, all these people teaching, we know that the salaries aren't as high as they could make out in industry. So, you know, why do they do it? And one thing I realized is the product of people was the best product you could have. And I could see that people got a lot of, you know, a lot of satisfaction helping other people do better in their life. And that was a real hook for, I think, most teachers. I think that's why people get in the teaching field, and maybe that's why they stay in the teaching field, is because of that hook. And it's a great product, and I guess that's why a lot of us do YouTube. So, hey, thanks for watching, and let's get to another video. Okay, see you next time.